Hi viewers, after watching this video, if you like it, I hope you will subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now we will see another very interesting tricks of Photoshop, and that is image rotation. This is the image rotation tool, and after clicking this tool we can rotate our image. But whenever we will work another tool like that in move tool, in pen tool or any other, we can do this simply by pressing R from the keyboard and just doing that, and we can drag and do it. And if we do it in right angle, we can click shift and our rotation is doing in a very right angle. So simply, and if we press out, that means our rotation is done. And simply that's it. Subscribe my channel for more upcoming tricks.